Hey, I'm Ross with Sky Management, and today we're going to be changing out some bolt locks. So we're going to walk you through the process of how to change a bolt to a new one. Okay, the first step is going to be removing the old bolt lock. So it has two screws that hold it on. We're going to remove those. And that'll pull the back end off. And then you can take the bolt out of the front. These are Schlage style bolt locks. Then if you're changing styles and you need to change the bolt piece out, there's two screws that are in the end of the door. You can pull those out. And the bolt will slide out the end. Okay, now we're ready to install our new bolt. Our new bolt will slide in through this hole, but these come in two different thicknesses, so you have to adjust your bolt lock to fit the right depth. This style, you twist and pull it out to get the long one, but this is a shorter distance here, so we're going to want the inside one. And then somewhere on the back of this, there'll be a little arrow that tells you where the top, which side is the top. On this one, it's the side away from the little plus that turns. So we're going to insert it up like that with the plate on it. And push it in place, and then we'll use our screws to hold the plate in. And then we'll be ready to put the lock part on. Okay, when inserting the bolt on, you're going to slide the pin through the inside piece so that it comes out on this side. And then we're going to be attaching the inside piece. And you have to line up the pin that comes through there with the inside of the lock. So it'll be something like that. Before you put the bolts back through there, you can try it and make sure that it works. You can see the bolts sliding in and out. So then it'll be time to feed these through. And you're going to want to start them with your fingers first to make sure that they go in smoothly. If you try to use a power drill and get them in there a little bit crooked, you can strip them out. So start them with your fingers first, and once you get them started, you can go ahead and use your screwdriver to tighten them up. You just want to go snug with it. You don't want to smash it on there too hard or it'll pull the bolt crooked. It should slide in and out.